Looking to boost your income? Then you won't want to miss this video. Discover how you can earn $900 or more using Chatgpt, without any complicated processes. It's as easy as typing, copying, pasting, delivering, and getting paid. But let's be real, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's simply a way to earn extra money. However, with my expert tips, you'll learn how to stand out from the crowd and get quality results that will make you a sought-after Chatgpt professional. Don't miss out on this opportunity to increase your earnings. Watch until the end to discover the secrets to success. Let me introduce you to Chatgpt, the latest technology that's revolutionizing the way we communicate. With Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, you can talk to an AI chatbot and get detailed answers in seconds. Whether you're looking for information or simply need someone to chat with, Chatgpt has got you covered. Plus, it's so easy to use. All you have to do is type in your prompt, and the AI chatbot will generate a response that's advanced and creative. So why not give it a try today? You'll be amazed at what Chatgpt can do for you. Get ready to discover an incredible opportunity to save time and money with Chatgpt. With just one click, you can now get a summarized book in seconds, like the popular book Stop Overthinking that usually costs up to $100. But that's not all. Chatgpt also offers unlimited opportunities to make money. Are you ready to start earning? Head to Fiverr.com, one of the world's largest freelance marketplaces, and you'll see that book and ebook writing services are in high demand and have limited competition compared to other services. With Chatgpt, you don't need years of experience to become a good copywriter, and you won't have to charge $100 an hour for your services. Let Chatgpt do the hard work for you. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Are you ready to take your freelance writing to the next level? In this video, I will show you how to use Chatgpt to write an ebook about the power of habit and earn big bucks. But don't be fooled, using Chatgpt is not as simple as just asking the chatbot to write a book for you. It takes a little creativity and specificity to get quality results. First, we'll start by generating a catchy name for your ebook. Don't worry, the chatbot will give you several options to choose from. Then, we'll move on to the outline structure, which is the foundation of any great book. Using the outline generated by Chatgpt, we'll start writing section by section, adding our own unique voice and perspective along the way. By the end of this video, you'll have a professionally written ebook that you can sell for big bucks. So, what are you waiting for? Let's dive in and start using Chatgpt to take your freelance writing career to the next level. Thank you for watching this video on making money using Chatgpt. If you enjoyed it and want to learn more, be sure to leave a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more great content like this. Your support helps me create even more helpful videos and share valuable information with others. Remember, every moment you delay taking action is a missed opportunity to earn more money. So go out there and start using Chatgpt to make money today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.